In this video, I want to talk about how you can move channels to the top on YouTube TV. Now, the way that you can do this is you want to use either your computer or your phone. And what you want to do is you want to head over to tv.youtube.com, or if you are using your PC, or you can just open the app if you're using your phone. Sign in here and go to the settings. Once you're inside of settings, you want to select the live guide. And inside of live guide, you can just drag and drop or use the arrow keys on your PC to move the channels to the top. So this is pretty simple, guys. Now after that, just click save. And if you're on your TV, inside of the live guide, there might be a custom button where you can customize how it looks. So try and use that if you're on the TV. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.